Hey noobs, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a porno video gaming PC. Let's start. First you must buy a gaming case which can be found at Amazon for $55 or more. You can buy a pre-built gaming PC, but fuck it, I'm here to show you how to build it. Second, you must buy a motherboard and throw it at the case. And then you must buy an SSD or a hard disk and throw at the case too. Don't worry, magic will screw them. And finally you must buy a GPU and a CPU, that means a GTX graphic cards and a processor, dumbass. And guess what to do next? You guess it, good job, throw it at the case. And see the result.